What's up, guys? Welcome back. I know it's been a while since I last posted a video, but some of you may know I moved from the Northeast. I live in Texas now, and yeah, finally get myself together. We got a garage now, so no more working outside. That's dope. Last videos, you guys remember, we was definitely working outside, but we got a garage now, good workspace, and yeah, let me tell you about some things. So, coming up, we got a Link standalone, full standalone with the CAN Lambda and all the wiring and everything. So that'll be going on here pretty soon. We'll have an install and review on that. For this video, we're doing the Z1 Diff brace. Actually, it seems pretty cool, and it's not like, it seems quality. For being a little Diff brace, which people might overlook, it seems like a quality piece. And actually on that, I know you guys like my review video, so if there's any parts or anything like that you guys want me to take a look at and maybe do a review on, let me know. Just write it down in the comments and let me know, and we'll go from there. But yeah, welcome back. It's good to be back. Thank all of you that are still here from before, and all of you that have kept in touch and everything. A lot of comments still come through even though I haven't been posting videos. And all the new people, welcome to the channel, and let's go. Yo, I forgot to tell y'all one of the most important things. Look at this. Look. Okay. All right, don't worry about it. Look, so we got the standalone Diff brace, whatever. That's really not important. The turbo kit. We're going to be doing a full Z1 fuel return system with some 1400cc injectors and whole bunch of stuff that goes along with the turbo kit. You'll see. Stay tuned. Let's go now, for real. So, like I said, we're gonna do the Z1 Diff brace install today. And some of you might be asking, well, why do you even need a Diff brace, really? And really, what this is, when maybe like a lot of drifters or people, I guess, are gonna be, making a little bit more power. You got, a stronger, more aggressive clutch. When you're going through the gears and you're being real aggressive on the clutch, popping the clutch and everything, these cars are getting old, and if you haven't changed your bushings, the diff bushings can start to go bad, and you'll start hearing that clunk noise. And pretty much what this does, this essentially locks the rear diff to the subframe. In a sense, it's a mechanical connection between the two. So it really doesn't have any flex regardless of the condition of the bushings. Now don't get it wrong, it's always good to make sure you have good bushings, but this will help you out and probably save you too. In case that bushing does go completely bad, your diff won't just be flopping around in there. So yeah, this is the Z1 unit. It comes with obviously the brace and brand new hardware, their own custom bolt. It looks really high quality. From Z1, and they send you these digital instructions on how to install it. It makes it very easy. I already looked at it, it's very simple. So I'm gonna go ahead and get down there and get to putting this on. All right, guys, so pretty much with the install, it's fairly simple. Here's the brace. So this bolt and this bolt you need to remove, and you get provided with new bolts from Z1. They give you everything, so you can take those, discard this to the side. And this piece is gonna be up, and this bolt goes through and it connects through, and that's it. So yeah, so I'll break these bolts loose and we'll go from there. That was the install. You can tell, it was really simple. Literally these two bolts, take them off, use the new hardware, the special bolt right here. And now actually with this piece down here, it gives you a new central jacking point. You can actually jack the car from right here. So that's good. Just make sure, definitely make sure that you tighten and torque everything down. If I'm not mistaken, if I remember correctly, the 17 up top is at like 87 foot-pounds. And I think these two down here are like 32 foot-pounds or something like that. So, I mean, when you use the instructions, it tells you all the torque specs and everything right there. But yeah, I think that's pretty cool. Gives you a nice jacking point right there. It says Z1's pretty dope. Guys did a good job, Z1. Good job. All right, guys, and that's really it for the Diff install. It's really simple. Z1 made it really simple, and it's a quality part. You know, just looking at the pictures, comparing them to other ones, I mean, kind of made it easy for my choice. So I would definitely recommend this product. Stay tuned for the next coming videos. We got the Link standalone install coming, and we're gonna get into some tuning stuff. And we're moving on. We got long tube headers coming soon. Just like I said, a whole bunch of stuff that's towards this turbo kit. And yeah, stay tuned. You guys, thanks for watching. Later. Peace.